Yup, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Moon. I'm back again with another video. As you can tell, it is 12:48 a.m. uh Sunday, June 8th, 2025. Yeah, I'm supposed to do the trade recap on Saturday, but got busy, stuff happened. But I'm here recording this now. And let's get into the chart this week. Let me do this, open this up so I can show you what really happened this week. We took one trade this week. It was a loss. It is what it is. Could it have been avoided? 100%. Did we avoid it? We did not. Why? I'm gonna break that down. But beautiful. I like the way this goes. They retested this order block, so we could potentially see a doji on Monday and then Tuesday push it upside. I don't know. That's what I'm seeing right now. Okay. Sorry, I haven't been. I didn't trade Friday, so I don't really know. Honestly, I like that. I like that push. I like that push. I like that push. All right, cool. So I'm just gonna break down the trade that I took today. No, that I took on Tuesday, and that's it. That's really it. There's not much to talk about. So coming to the market on Tuesday. Let me close this up. So price had made a big push on Monday. I didn't trade Monday because we don't trade Mondays. Because I tend to lose trades on Mondays when I trade because I have a lot of energy coming from the weekend and I'm just ready to trade. So we don't trade Mondays. But price had a big push on gold. So now I'm thinking, okay, on a higher time frame, before it continues to the upside or keep making a new higher high, it needs to have a retest to this order block to continue to the upside. So coming to the market the next day, I was looking to sell. Now, again, as you can tell in the 4 hour, it broke above. And let me show you this. Look at this beautiful pattern right here. Like, what is this pattern right here? It's called a head and shoulders pattern. Broke the neckline. Now it's going to come back, retest the neckline, continue to the downside. Or so, that's what I thought. That's what it normally does, right? When it normally breaks an area, comes back, retests it, and it continues. Obviously, this zone is not perfect. Obviously, right here, came back, pushed down, pushed up a little bit, and then obviously rejected that completely. What's a good example? I don't know. Let me flip this back up. It's probably easier on the lower time frame, but like you know how it broke above here, and it eventually came back, retested it. What? It didn't even touch it fully. Like this. What's a good example? I don't know. There's not a good example, right? But here, yeah, there's not really a good example. But you know what I mean. It made the head and shoulders patterned, and it looks so clean on them. Like, it looks beautiful in the 1 hour. But the 4 hours, just look at it. Like, what more can you ask for? It's just simple. Anyways, I was waiting for these retests. So coming to a market the next day, price was having this push to downside, which was like, I was like, okay, cool, beautiful, exactly what I want to see. Everything I need to take the trade is there. Now I just need a push to the downside. So I come to the market. I found a nice order block right here. I believe it's on a 5-minute, but it is on a 10-minute as well. And bearish push. So now I made a lower low, pushed above lower high. Higher high. So now it's going to retest it. And then I would wait for a shift below here to take a trade. Obviously, price came back here, did descending again. Eventually, it closed below. Now, why didn't I take it right there? You go on a higher time frame. Look what happened. It started pushing again. So I'm like, I don't know. I'm not really sure. Yes, it gave me what I wanted on this time frame, but the higher time frame, I just wasn't comfortable with it. Now, what's funny about this is I actually took 2 trades, but we ended up losing 1. Now let's go to GPUSD because this is where we took the trade and we ended up we broke even on this trade. So literally same thing as gold. Price broke above a previous level. What is it gonna do? Like, look at it. Broke below here, retested, it dropped. Broke above, retest, continued to the upside. So it came back beautifully. Found a good order block, pull back to the order block, top day, shift the structure. So originally I had taken this trade. Now, I was looking to sell, yes, but then at the same time, I know that price is at this level right here. And what is it gonna do? It's most likely gonna retest the structure level. So I was looking to buy originally on GPUSD, but because gold, silver, and EURUSD I'm looking to sell, it just made sense for me to sell on here as well. So I ended up selling. We were in profit for a little bit, and then price just stayed in that zone. Like, let me show you. and then it had a big push. So I'm like, okay, cool, it is what it is. And then it started having retracement, and then it was still in that zone. So I ended up closing this trade out at break even. As soon as I closed the break even, now I was still have to push down. So I was already mad. So it is what it is. I took it off. But I ended up taking this one. Oh, it already shows it. But since I hadn't taken this one, I was waiting for a better, cleaner setup. It eventually pulled back to the order block again. Now, guess what I said? Ooh, I have to wait is a break below here on a 5 minute to take this trade. If I wait for a break below here on a 10 minute, it just makes more sense. And on a 15 minute, it's just cleaner. So I need a break below this level right here. So price eventually did give me that break right here. That break. And then I took the trade. So I put this in my trading rules that if it has a shift of structure on the lower time frame at the order block with one candlestick, I can take the trade immediately, put my stop loss at the area that it's supposed to be. Now, if it has like a shift of structure like this with like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candlesticks, then that's when I would do the fib, and I would wait for the 50% retracement and take the sell from there. Obviously, it did the one candle, so guess what I did? I took that trade, and then yeah, we immediately got stopped out. It was ridiculous, but I am okay with it because look what happened. Eventually, price did go in that direction. Not fully exactly how I thought it would, but it went in that direction, and yeah, eventually pushed back up, and we got stopped out, and it is what it is. We lost this trade, so not much to say there. We took that trade, and then coming to the next few days, no setup, no clear setup was there, as you can tell. And see, I would take this trade if it had broken below here. If it had broken below here, I would take this. And if it still ended up doing this and lost, then it is what it is. I follow my trade. But this didn't break below, did not shift the structure, so no trade. Here, no respect. And I was not even on the charts at that time. And then silver. One thing I will say happened good this week is silver finally broke out of this long zone that it was in. Like, this was ridiculous. But now we're out of this zone, so now we're looking to buy on silver. But again, like I said, gold, the way it's looking right now, order block, it's already pulled back to this order block. So I'm thinking Monday is most likely gonna make like a doji candlestick, like what's a good doji? Like a doji like this. I need this thing right here to happen right here, and then I'll take the buy. Silver, most likely a pullback somewhere. I don't know if it's gonna come back all the way to retest this order block, but we're gonna see. Look to the buy. I don't really know. This I'm gonna have to wait to see what Monday's candlestick does before I decide what I want to do with this. But as of now, I don't know. I'm staying away from it. EURUSD as well. But even though it's a little more fluid, it's a little more simple. So we're gonna see. And then USD JPY, I'm looking to buy. So if I'm looking to buy on USD JPY, I'm looking to sell on the other one. But the thing is, USD JPY is pushing to the upside while these were also pushing to the upside. Eventually, they did start going to the downside, but like, it was there. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and comment. This is just a simple trade recap. I have another video coming out talking about my testimony in May and how God has helped me. God has opened my eyes and how God has provided me with trade opportunities. So stay tuned for that. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and comment. And yeah, God bless you. God keep you safe. Stay focused, stay disciplined, stay consistent. And remember, the magic you're looking for is in the work you are avoiding. So you got to put that work in. Also, y'all see this beautiful head and shoulders pattern right here? All I need for this to work, I just need a break below here. I just need this. But obviously, since price had come here multiple times and it's rejected it, if it comes back here again, I'm most likely gonna buy it because every time it's come here, it's bought. Like, it's crazy. So maybe it's gonna break through, maybe not. But most likely, it's gonna have that push to upside. And it is bullish now on USD, so it's what it is. Anyways, y'all have a good night. Stay safe.